Welcome. Today we are going to talk about some common productivity myths that many people believe but are not true. These myths can actually stop you from being productive. Let's clear them up. Myth 1: multitasking makes you more productive. Many people think doing many things at once saves time, but studies show multitasking reduces focus and increases mistakes. When you switch between tasks, your brain needs time to refocus. It's better to do one task at a time and finish it before moving on to the next. Myth 2: longer working hours mean higher productivity. Working more hours doesn't always mean you get more done. In fact, working too long without breaks can cause burnout and reduce your focus. Taking short breaks helps your brain rest and improves your productivity. Quality of work is more important than quantity of hours. Myth 3: you need to be busy to be productive. Being busy is not the same as being productive. Sometimes people fill their day with small, unimportant tasks to feel busy. But real productivity means working on tasks that matter and bring results. Focus on important tasks, not just on being busy. Myth 4: you must follow a strict schedule all day. A strict schedule can help, but it's not necessary to plan every minute. Sometimes flexibility helps you handle unexpected tasks better. Plan your day with important tasks first, but don't be afraid to adjust if something urgent comes up. Myth 5: productivity means working without breaks. Working without breaks can lower your energy and focus. Breaks give your brain a chance to rest and recharge. Use breaks to stretch, walk, or do something relaxing. This will help you work better when you return to your tasks. Myth 6: you need to be motivated all the time. Waiting for motivation before starting work is a mistake. Motivation can come and go, but discipline helps you keep working. Start your tasks even when you don't feel like it. Often, motivation will follow action. These are some productivity myths that you should stop believing. Focus on real habits that improve your work, like prioritizing tasks, taking breaks, and working with discipline. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to avoid these myths and be truly productive.